What's up guys, this is Maddie with Brinkley RV, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new upgraded storage trays on Model G. We've got 3 throughout your pass-through storage areas on each unit. For starters, we've got this custom steel finish, fully powder coated. We've got our laser cut Brinkley logo there, looks absolutely stunning. Over off to the side, you've got an easy access latch that's going to keep your tray in when you're traveling. Easy pull out here. You've got a felt liner at the bottom to protect any of your goods from scratching up. Nice deep storage here. And then also we've got an upgraded weight capacity from 250 in previous bins to a 300 weight capacity now. If you'd like to learn more about Model G and its features, contact your local Brinkley dealership or visit BrinkleyRV.com.